Hey, what's up everybody? Honda Riding here. Welcome back to another video. And yes, I know we're in the same riding spot as we were in the last two videos, but it's all good, guys. Going to hit the trails, going to tear it up. It's going to be an absolute blast. And yeah, so should be a pretty good time. Trails are looking pretty gnarly. Looking extra saucy today. Oh yeah, look at all that sauce. Got the MX gear on like always. Hopefully my battery is still not dead, but we'll see. Somebody's belt was right there. I must suck. Ooh, yeah. We're going extra hard today. It's been a rough week. Let's go. Trying to stay consistent with the uploads. Okay, I just got soaked from that. Ooh. Gotta manage in between these rocks. Don't want to cut my tire. Too bad there's nowhere like other trails that like connect to this that take me to like a super cool place or something like that. Because right now it's kind of trash. Soon though, we're gonna be ripping the, you know, the good long rides and the big trails and the different scenery. But for now, bear with me as we tear up the same old with the good old CRF 150F. Oh yeah, she's a beast. Wait a minute. You know what? Maybe we should check out some new terrain. Oh yeah, that was fire, guys. Yeet. I saw a little trail heading off, thinking about getting a little adventurous for you guys. Oh yeah, somebody cut all this up. Let's take a little look-see. Oh yeah. Got a little trail, nice. I think this is like a snowmobile trail. Oh. Okay, trail's getting a bit gnarly. And it's getting a bit saucy. Sorry if I sound congested. That's just my goggles clogging my nose. That was different. I don't want to ride back here because there's a bunch of glass, but that just looks like a disaster. Holy crap, there's a lot of glass. Oh my god. If I didn't just, I think I might have just popped the tire low-key, guys. Like that, there was a lot of glass there, and I just kind of drove right down the middle of it. I hope you guys like my microphone too. Got that not too long ago. Set it all up, got my motovlogging set up. Oh yeah. Jesus. You know, some kids at school have been calling me Trail Bike McGee, but if you ask me, those are some pretty ponies right there. I want to see you do that on a race bike. see any race bike kids doing that. Huh? Whatever, I'm just doing this for jokes. All you race bike people out there, don't get all salty on me, okay? Don't turn into any saltine cracker. Whee! Doink, 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 doink. Eat. I want to hit some jumps, make a motocross track, do something, because this is getting kind of boring. Well, not for me. I love driving my dirt bike no matter where I drive. It's always fun, but kind of sucks when I'm riding in the same places. Those are new. Oh, kind of want to do a hill climb. There's not really any nice hills to climb, but like, uh-oh. My brother's over here. See what he's up to. If he's dipping already, I'm gonna be a little, oh jeez. Anthony, Jesus. Well guys, looks like we had our fun today. You know, oh my, that was a beautiful grass trail. Nothing like riding with gear on. I honestly do not know what that platform over there is. Like, you know what? I don't know what this is over here, but there's probably a lot of glass over here. It just looks like that sketchy kind of. Holy crap. I thought there was a jump right here. Jump into a bunch of glass and die. Not in the mood for that. All those little rocks too, whenever you pin it in them, it kind of sounds like a bunch of glass shooting up. I don't know if it is glass, but whee! We'll go this way. Oh, that looks fun, honestly. I want to hit that. Okay, I guess I'm taking charge here. If you're a cop watching this video, don't arrest me, you know. I don't mean any harm. I always throw my recycling in the recycling. You know, pay my taxes. Just let a man have some fun, you know. We're just doing this for the Honda riding squad, guys. 4.7K right now. Getting litty. If you guys want me to post some other videos, like me doing some other things, like my soccer or basketball or something like that, you know, just leave a comment down below. I like to keep things, you know, like to the dirt biking and stuff, but a lot of the stuff I do in my free time is soccer, so I wouldn't mind posting that kind of stuff for you if that's what you'd like. And this is where we separate. You know, buddy me goes fast. Uh-oh, I smoked them. You know, we did that. So now, it's the moment of truth. Is the battery still dead? Yes! Let's go! Hope you guys enjoyed this Honda riding production. If you did, like, subscribe, hit the bell to stay notified every time I post a video. Comment what you thought about the video down below. Leave your suggestions, leave your comments, leave your opinion, do all that stuff. And for now, Honda riding out. See you guys next time. Peace.